Your Lincoln is equipped with an audio system that delivers studio-quality sound. Let me tell you about it. To switch your audio system on or off, press the power button. Then, adjust your volume by turning the knob to the right to increase it or to the left to decrease it. You can tune your stations by turning the tuning knob to the right or left until you reach a station you want, or by pressing and releasing the right side of the seek button to seek forward, or the left side of the button to seek reverse. You'll notice that your radio will stop at the first station it finds in that direction. If you want to quickly advance through the stations without stopping, just press and hold the seek button until you reach the station you want, or turn the tune knob to the right or left until you get to your desired station. To listen to a CD, simply insert it into the slot, and the first track will automatically start to play. To fast forward through that track, press and hold the seek forward button. To scroll back, press and hold the seek back button. If you'd like to jump to the previous or next track, press the seek forward or seek reverse button quickly and let go. When you're ready to eject the CD, just press and hold the eject button.